everybody. This is John, NCP. I went ahead and I wanted an Iambic. Let me zoom out here. There we go. I wanted an Iambic paddle for my pixie kit, which is going to go on the Altoids for the little ham kit, but don't have one. Now I have a straight key I could use, but I went on Thingiverse and printed out one of the mini kits. Now this is more of a proof of concept than anything, because I'm going to need one that, I'm print the one out that goes on your leg. That's what I'm going to print out later on. But as you can see, this is a very low quality print. I printed it at, I think, 20% resolution, or no, 20% infill, which is still pretty solid, but still. And I printed it at, I don't know, a 0.3 resolution, I think. So it's not very good, but it's quick. So I wanted to go ahead and get it. When it's put together, it'll basically look like something like this. And they'll come in like that, and you tap them back and forth. So I went digging through my kit. My radio has one of these, the bigger ones, but I need one of the smaller ones, so for the pixie kit. But I'm probably going to wire this up today just so I can go upstairs and play with it. We're going to use an old USB cable cord here. We're going to cut this down and use that cable for it. So let me go ahead and pause this and, oh no, let's just do it. If I have the footage of me printing this, I don't know if I hit record print or not. I'll insert that here. And I'll speed up through all this when I do it, but we'll go ahead and do this, and I'll do some edits here and there, but still. So here we go. upstairs. I got it plugged into the unit. I don't have a keyer yet. The keyer. So this side isn't working right now. But for the dits, or actually I could do this. Use like a straight key. So it would be like. So yeah. Alright, so that's it. This is good for now. But like I said, there's only dits, no DAWs. I mean, yeah, only dits. In fact, I think it's backwards. But I'll see what's right. This side's a dit, I think. And this side's going to be a DAW, so that could be right. I'll have to check on the Pixie. If not, I'll make a little adapter that I can switch it in and out if I put it in line, but I don't think these parts are hard to get lined up in there. But we can always do this. And in case you're wondering, the holes are for the bolts to extend out so they don't hit the case. And it's just hot glued in there. Put some hot glue in there off camera. Alright. So this is NCP saying bye and hi. That's 2 DAWs. That's wrong. So 4 DIS. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's H. And then I is 2 dits. Ha. So hi. Alright, I'll get you later. NCP out.